It's a new 2018 Ram 3500. From the decades of testing and engineering to the build, it is born to be on the job site. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Turbo i6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, heavy-duty shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Take it for a test drive today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.